Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and you are preparing pretty well for your upcoming examination, that is Scientist B. And even if you are a student who is preparing for like Scientist C examination, or let's say for any competitive exam like BBT JRF or CSIR, so this will also help you to brush up all of your concept. It is just there is slight difference in the syllabus. So before starting this mock test, I will provide you some important instructions that you have to stick to it to score or to make the best use of this mock test, right? As it was the most requested video by all of the aspirants of Scientist B examination. So do listen the instructions carefully and do follow it so as to like make the efficient use of it. This will provide you the real scenario of the examination. And before starting, do subscribe the channel for more such videos. So see, this is one of the most important video. It will provide you the insights of how questions can be asked, right? So in this mock test, like the first mock test on my channel related to Scientist B examination, ICMR Scientist B. So in the first one, I have provided 50 questions, right? 50 MCQs are there and each will have 4 options, as simple as that, and it has only one single correct options, like we used to solve the MCQ on a regular basis. So it has only one correct option, right? So you have to choose that correct option, and if you have choose the correct response, you will get a score of 1 mark. And if you are attempting it wrong, do award you a 1/3 नेगेटिव मार्किंग ऑल्सो. लाइक अगर आप सही कर रहे हैं तो +1 दो, अगर आप गलत कर रहे हैं तो टोटल स्कोर में से 1/3 आपको 1/3 आपको माइनस भी करना है आफ्टर द एंड ऑफ द टेस्ट. नाउ आई हैव प्रोवाइडेड अ टाइमर ऑफ 60 सेकेंड. 60 सेकेंड का टाइमर मैंने लगाया है हर क्वेश्चन में. सी, जो एक्चुअल एग्जामिनेशन आएंगे जिसमें आपको 100 क्वेश्चंस देखने को मिलेंगे, सो यू विल गेट ओनली 2 आवर्स. तो आपको और भी ज्यादा कम टाइम मिल रहा है, 1 मिनट से कम. बट फॉर दिस टेस्ट, दिस इज द फर्स्ट टेस्ट, बिगिनर लेवल, सो आई हैव गिवन यू 60 सेकेंड फॉर ईच क्वेश्चन. तो जैसे ही मैं क्वेश्चन पढ़ूंगी, मैं टाइमर स्टार्ट कर दूंगी, आप सॉल्व करते स्टार्ट कर देना, ठीक है? मैं फिर से बता रही हूँ इंस्ट्रक्शंस. एक व्हाइट शीट ऑफ पेपर लेके बैठो, व्हाइट शीट ऑफ पेपर. चाहो तो क्वेश्चन नंबर डाल लो 1 2 3 4 5 6, और एल्स आई विल प्रोवाइड यू दी वर्ड फाइल ऑफ द OMR शीट, जो आपको सिर्फ फिल करना होगा. उसका प्रिंट ले लो. अगर ये सब अभी तुरंत में नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो सिंपल यू कैन टेक व्हाट यू कैन डू, यू कैन टेक अ व्हाइट शीट ऑफ पेपर. यू कैन मार्क क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 50. सिंपली एक पेपर लो, ठीक है? इसमें क्वेश्चन नंबर मार्क करना है 1 2 3 4 5 6 50 तक, एंड ऑप्शंस. OMR शीट आपको बनाना है खुद का, ABCD में से कौन सा करेक्ट है, ठीक है? उसमें से फिल करते जाना, राइट? अब फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन के लिए यू विल गेट 60 सेकेंड, सेकेंड क्वेश्चन के लिए गेट 60 सेकेंड. सो यू हैव 50 क्वेश्चन एंड 50 मिनट्स यू विल बी गिवन, ठीक है? राइट होता है. एंड में इवेल्युएशन भी है एंड ऑल्सो परफॉर्मेंस evaluation sheet I have attached with at the end of the video, so do watch it. So without further delay, let's start the video. Start solving. बिल्कुल चिटिंग नहीं करना है, कहीं से कुछ भी यूज नहीं करना है, एकदम ऑनेस्टली दो so that you can see where you are standing, ठीक है? So let's start. First question is, in a cohort study, if loss to follow up is differential between exposed and unexposed group, so the error or the bias introduced is recall bias, selection bias, misclassification bias, confounding. Your time starts now. Next question. Which measure is most appropriate for rare disease? Read the options and solve it. Next question. A case control study reports OR4. Which statement is correct? Your time starts now. Next question. Confounding is best controlled in design phase mentioned by which option? Your time starts now. Next question. Ecological fallacy occurs when? Your time starts now. Next question. Which study design provides strongest evidence? Next question. Incidence rate includes. Next question. Which bias occurred due to faulty measurement 2? Next question. Matching in case control study controls. Next question. Bradford Hill criteria assess what? Next question. If sensitivity is equals to 100%, test has. Next question. Which measure is affected by disease prevalence? Next question. Odd is equals to 3 implies probability is equal to what? Next question. Null hypothesis is rejected when? Next question. Type 1 error is? Next question. Confidence interval indicates? Next question. Median is preferred over mean when? Next question. Relative risk of one indicates. Next question. Standard deviation measures. Next question. Z test is used when. Next question. High specificity means. Next question. Likelihood ratio is equal to. Next question. Screening test should have. Next question. Gold standard test is used to. Next question. False positive increases when. Next question. Vector borne disease example. Next question. R0 is equal to 1 indicates. Next question. Herd immunity depends on. Next question. Primary prevention includes. Next question. COVID-19 RT-PCR detects. Next question. Belmont principle, respect for persons include. I'm making it little bit faster so as to provide you the real scenario, क्योंकि टाइम बहुत जल्दी चला जाता है। ऐसा नहीं है कि आप वाइजली यूज करते हैं 1 मिनट एक ही क्वेश्चन के लिए। सो आई एम स्किपिंग इट फास्टर so as to compress the video size also. Question number 32. Informed consent must include. Next question. Plagiarism is violation of. Next question. Ethical approval is given by. Next question. Fabrication means. Next question. Gram positive bacteria retains stain due to. Next question. Autoclaving works by. Next question. Viral culture requires. Next question. DNA replication is. Next question. PCR requires. Denaturation in PCR occurs at. Next question. Restriction enzymes cut. Next question. First generation sequencing. Next question. ELISA detects. Next question. Competent cells are used for. Next question. Operon model proposed by. Next question. mRNA processing includes. Next question. Mutation in repair genes leads to. Next question. Last second question of the session. Biofilm formation increases. Last question. Next generation sequencing advantage. So see, these are the answers. You can take screenshot and then you can check your answer, whichever you have provided for question number 1 till question number 50. So be honest and provide it honestly. So this is like this. First question answer number B. Second, the correct answer is A. Third, B, and likewise. So you have to check all of the answers which you have attempted. So if you attempt the questions correctly, you need to put +1, and if you have attempted it incorrectly, you have to like deduct your marks by 1/3, right? So accordingly, you will have some score after the evaluation of 50 questions if you have attempted all. If you have not attempted, so what is your marks? So if your marks is in the range of 45 to 50, so performance level is exceptional. Like the selection probability is very, very high because you are on top notch. You are preparing very well. Almost you are selection ready, right? So if you are scoring 40 to 44, then also you are good enough. 4 out of 5. Strong chances minor revision is needed. If you are scoring 35 to 39, you are good enough. 3 out of 5. Competitive, like you are in a position of like you might face a high competitiveness, so you need to polish your theoretical knowledge. If you are scoring 30 to 34, then you are an average and you are like borderline. You need to brush up all your concepts. If you are scoring 25 to 29, you are below average and you need strong revision because you have to qualify the written examination with good marks, because the for under for on like for your category, unreserved category, for unreserved, you will have like high cutoff will be there. If you are scoring less than 25, then your preparation level is weak. 1 out of 5 star, you are not at all exemplary. So honestly, this is the time. You don't need to be motivated. I am again repeating, कोई भी demotivation वाली चीज यहाँ पे नहीं आनी चाहिए. You need to evaluate yourself honestly, whichever category you are like currently in. Like if you are 5 star, 4 star, 3 star, 2 star, let's say you are 1 star, then also you have time. Like see, brilliance, if you are having like so much of IQ, you are brilliant enough, but if you are not preparing it consistently, you're gonna lose it. So better be an average student, but do practice it, be consistent, then you're gonna qualify this exam. So this is all for the day. Thank you so much for watching, and do let me know in the comment section how much you have scored. And for detailed answer, do comment me. I will provide the second part, the detailed answer of question number 1 to 50. And also hit the like. Don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you so much for giving this examination.